so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play.
So I didn't get to do an intro, but I am at 1500 Sound Academy. I'm actually here for a Humble Praise event. That's the choir that I'm a part of. That's our name, Humble Praise. And we just happened to have the event here today, or the retreat bonding time here today. So that's the reason why I'm here. I'm gonna record what I can because it's like a real intimate setting. But yeah, talk to you later.
I feel like I'm gonna come, I wanna sing, but one day.
I was like, the minute it's over, my last time was August 30th, and the next Wednesday I was here. I was like, I'm in it, I'm ready.
Hey y'all. Humble Praise Retreat.
Humble Praise Retreat. We outside today.
And yeah, I don't know what to say. Indy?
We are celebrating our inaugural retreat here at the Faith. Humble Praise is our praise team. We're excited to be here. Excited to fellowship with this is the first one, but it won't be the last. And we're excited for all the things that are to come. So stay tuned.
Yep. Okay, Pastor Kai, this from my vlog.
What I'm saying, we're not, you know, hey, look, it's the Humble Praise Retreat.
Yep.
Yo, the first one is so fire. We're learning how to get more closer and connected to God because we know the praise and worship, that goes before the battle, before the war starts. And you know we fighting spiritual warfare. So, hey, make sure you're here on Sunday.
Hey, y'all almost got a whole sermon. We're gonna be live, right? Okay, we back, y'all. We back. Say hey to the KLA show.
Say hi to the Kayla Show! Y'all got the best host. Y'all got the best host. Yeah. Period.
Tyra always here.
I'm a co-host.
Oh, they haven't met Brian.
Okay.
Ooh, two birds. Okay. Okay, y'all. So she took the glasses off. The wind blowing. It's trying to mess me up. But we just finished our day. Now we're about to go to the Wood. It's in Inglewood. It's like a lounge place. They have TVs, food, and a whole bunch of stuff, barbecue. I've personally never been, but a few people been. I think it's gonna be a vibe. We're supposed to be watching a football game. I don't know nothing about that, but I'm about to go vibe out and yeah, talk to y'all when I talk to
Make it so they're part of X-Ray. How you gonna grow it all the way and say I know that was not the same?
Okay, y'all, so we're on our way to the Wood, this barbecue place, but we stumbled across this festival. It's the festival going on. So this is where we walking through on our way to the Wood. Oh, like a vibe. It's a good day. I knew this was gonna be a good day. I woke up and was just like, I was a little nervous because I was in North Hollywood and it was just bright, sunny. I came to LA, I'm like, do I gotta change? Because it's kind of nippy out here. But it's warming up, it's warmed up. And yeah, about to walk in here.
They can flip another chair, so. We saw y'all come out the public parking. They charge $1 I parked so far.
You said you hold me down forever, but you lied to me. You gotta repent to the head. I've been taking on all this baggage.
Looks like a man just for you. Oh,
I can't say a thing. Oh my God. No, I really can't see. I really can't see. Let me stand.
I know, for real. 1, 2. It's not live. It's just regular video.
Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Acting like you're numb, here got me gone. You're only about yourself. When I find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you hold me down forever, but you lied to me, lied to me. You gotta be mental in the head.
Okay, so today was a very successful day. My glare. Tyra is, well, I'm dropping Tyra off. But I'm about to see her tomorrow for church. Yep. Same, I might.
Today was a good day.
It really was. I don't know if I vlogged the food, how I pictured in my mind that I was gonna vlog it, because the food got there and I'm just like, I was tearing it up. Y'all, I had 3 rib thingies. I had 3 rib thingies and like 2 scoops of macaroni, 2 scoops of beans, 2 scoops of greens. Like, your girl, watch the next couple months. It's gonna be there, but
She's gonna have the body.
okay. Y'all say bye, Tyra. Bye, Tyra. Hey, it's your girl KLA, and it's a glare on my glasses. However, it's like 9:30. Hey, David.
Hey.
It's like say hey to my vlog.
Vlog, what's up? I mean vlog.
Yeah, vlog.
Vlog, what's up, baby? What are we doing?
It's on
Capturing your
YouTube.
life?
Yeah,
Oh,
capture
word.
my life. You know,
How y'all doing, man?
documenting. He does music,
Yes.
He plays
We gonna make
drums.
some music soon for sure.
everything.
You know what I'm saying? Holding it down.
Yep.
Keep doing y'all.
He got the braids popping.
Oh yeah, she went crazy. Shout out to Amber Jones.
But yeah, I'm at church right now. I'm trying to get the glare off my glasses. Y'all, Darian, I gotta show y'all Darian. Oh no, y'all met Darian yesterday. She gifted me these because I kept telling her, I'm like, those are so cute, those are so cute. And she was like, I got an extra pair here. And I'm like, no. And then she let me have them. And I'm so happy because they look so cute and I feel so confident in them. But today's gonna be a good Sunday. Like y'all can see, I'm feeling my hair. This is my first time pressing my hair in about 8 months because I cut all my hair off in January, if y'all remember that. And look, it's already back, but I'm not gonna get too heat happy. I'm gonna keep it real cute, only this week I'm putting heat in it, and then I'm going back to braids, back to a protective style because I'm not trying to start over again. But yeah, talk to y'all later. And I'm gonna try to record more of service today just so y'all could see the vibe at eFaith LA. But talk to y'all later.
Hey, look, it's a humble praise retreat. Yo, the first one is so fire. We learning how to get more closer and connected to God because we know the praise and worship, that goes before the battle, before the war starts.